Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Tuesday, October the 27th, 2015. December corn finished off 5 cents today at near the lows of $3.79 settling at $3.80. We did run all the way up to $3.87 today, which, if you'll remember yesterday, I talked about being a very tough overhead resistance level to get through if we were going to test $3.99 to $4 that we've been talking about. $3.87 may actually prove to be the high for this cycle, as we are in the 5th day from the low, and it would not be abnormal to see a pause here. November beans were up 6 cents today, selling at $8.9125. Yesterday we talked about the next level of resistance being $8.79.5, and we would have to breach that level if we were going to continue lower. We did only manage a low today of $8.82, so hopefully we can get back to the top side of this trading range. We would need to see, like I said, a close below $8.79.5 if we are going to run on down to that $8.50 target that we have had on the November chart for a while. It'll have to do it pretty quickly, as first notice day is approaching the end of the week. December wheat was down 1.5 cents today, selling at $5.09. Wheat initially continued higher, breaching yesterday's high of $5.12, running all the way up to $5.18. But it did it in the first few minutes of the regular session and then sold off the remainder of the day. Weather rumors continue or are the only thing that we can find fundamentally that the trade wants to talk about, and they are just rumors as we talk about too much rain in South America making milling wheat into feed wheat. The next key level for the December wheat contract is 503.5. This is a key level. If we trade above this in the next day or two, we'll be looking for 525 to 528 as our next targets overhead. July 16 wheat was down 2.5 cents today, selling at 520.5. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post Market Wrap Up. I hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday.